Now nitrogen can be estimated by two methods. First is Dumas method and another one is the Seldol method. So actually firstly I will tell you the Dumas method. The nitrogen containing organic compound will be heated with the copper oxide in the presence of the carbon dioxide, in an atmosphere of the carbon dioxide. So in this way the nitrogen will get free, means it yields free nitrogen, and carbon dioxide and water will also be released, as see in this equation. Nitrogen is released along with the carbon dioxide and water. So and if nitrogen oxide in traces will be formed, they are reduced to nitrogen by passing the gaseous mixture over a heated copper gauze. See this diagram. Okay, reduced copper gauze is there. So if any traces of nitrogen oxide is formed, so they are reduced to nitrogen by passing the gaseous mixture over a heated copper gauze, and the mixture is produced in this manner, is collected over an aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide has a tendency to absorb carbon dioxide. Okay, so nitrogen is collected in the upper part of this graduated tube. This is the diagram. See here, this organic compound yields nitrogen gas on heating it with the copper oxide in the presence of carbon dioxide. So this mixture of gases is collected over potassium hydroxide solution, and this potassium hydroxide solution absorb the carbon dioxide, and by this way the volume of the nitrogen will be estimated. So if the organic compound is present present as m gram, so nitrogen volume of the nitrogen will be collected, that is we take V1 milliliter, and room temperature is supposed T1 Kelvin. So volume of nitrogen at STP will be calculated by this formula, P1 V1 into 273 by 760 into T1. Okay, P1 and V1 are the pressure and volume of nitrogen, and P1 is means this is the different pressure from the atmospheric pressure. Okay, P1 is the pressure of nitrogen which is different from the atmospheric pressure at which nitrogen gas is collected. So P1 value will be obtained by this relation, means atmospheric pressure minus aqueous tension. If we will minus the aqueous tension from the atmospheric pressure, then we will get the exact value of the pressure of the nitrogen, and then we will calculate this calculate the percent of nitrogen by applying this formula, 28 into V into 100 by 22,400 into M. Okay, 28 is the molecular weight of nitrogen, and means 22,400 is the volume of nitrogen at STP. This weights at 28 gram. So by this formula, 28 into V into 100 by 22,400 into M, by this way we will be able to calculate the percentage of nitrogen by the Dumas method.